day GIS lovers. After getting huge responses from our previous course named ArcGIS vs ArcGIS Pro Level 1, now we have published Level 2 of this course. In this Level 2, we are going to learn the differences between ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro based on advanced leveling, advanced symbology, and map digitizing, shapefile editing both in 2D and 3D map, and also based on WebGIS. Yes, in this course, we will learn also about WebGIS. In this course, we will learn how to edit shapefile both in 2D and 3D Basemap by using ArcGIS Pro, map digitizing in ArcMap interface by using satellite image as a basemap, and also how to use a vector shapefile as a basemap for our map digitizing purpose. We will learn also advanced symbology and its all kinds of properties in ArcMap interface. We will learn dynamic symbology of ArcGIS Pro, advanced level and label properties of ArcMap interface, dynamic level visibility by using shortcut method in ArcGIS Pro. See this, the label will be invisible after certain scale. After zoom in a certain scale, the label will be visible, same as like Basemap. Not only that, we will learn many dynamic symbologies both in map, global scene, and ArcScene project. And at the final stage of this course, we will learn basic of WebGIS, how to start WebGIS career, advantages of WebGIS, and based on this, we will learn how to convert our shapefile to Google Earth dynamic KML file with pop-up window so that we can use it for our WebGIS project purpose. We will learn how to create WebGIS project by using ArcGIS Pro easily. Yes, we will learn also this. So, if you want to learn all of this to make yourself advanced GIS specialist, then enroll in this course and enjoy GIS.